This is not a drill. In the early hours of today, scientists monitoring Mount Etna detected something deeply alarming beneath the Mediterranean Sea. Not an eruption, not an earthquake, but something far more dangerous. A massive underwater landslide, slowly but relentlessly sliding down the volcanic flank of Mount Etna, hidden beneath the sea. And now, tsunami warning systems across the Mediterranean are on high alert. What you're about to hear could explain one of the most underestimated natural threats in Europe's history. Why Mount Etna is different. Mount Etna is not just Europe's most active volcano. It is also one of the largest and heaviest volcanic structures on Earth. What most people don't realize is this: a huge portion of Etna does not sit on land. It extends far beneath the Mediterranean Sea. For decades, scientists have known that Etna's eastern flank is slowly sliding, moving a few centimeters every year, like a mountain trying to fall into the ocean. And today, that movement may have accelerated. The underwater landslide. Deep-sea sensors detected abnormal motion along Etna's submerged slope. Submarine cables showed stress. Seafloor instruments recorded displacement. This wasn't a sudden collapse. It was worse. A slow but massive underwater landslide involving billions of tons of rock and sediment. And when something that large moves underwater, it doesn't need an explosion to create a tsunami, just displacement. How an underwater landslide creates a tsunami. Forget the Hollywood image of giant waves forming instantly. Landslide tsunamis are different. They can be faster than earthquake tsunamis, more localized, completely unexpected. As the seabed shifts, it pushes water upward. That energy travels outward, sometimes quietly, until it reaches shallow coastal areas, where the wave rises suddenly. No shaking, no warning sirens in time, just water moving inland. The Mediterranean is not safe. Many people believe tsunamis only happen in the Pacific. That belief is dangerously wrong. The Mediterranean has a long history of tsunamis. Ancient Greek records, Roman port destruction, entire coastal cities erased. The problem? The Mediterranean is a closed sea. Waves don't dissipate easily. Energy reflects, concentrates, and rebounds between coastlines. Italy, Greece, Turkey, North Africa, all within reach. What scientists are warning about? Experts are not predicting a guaranteed catastrophe, but they are issuing serious warnings. The concern is not Etna erupting, it's Etna sliding. If the underwater slope fails further, a regional tsunami could form. Coastal areas may have minutes, not hours. Ports, beaches, and low-lying cities are most at risk. This is why monitoring systems were upgraded in recent years, because Etna is not stable. What would a tsunami look like here? Not skyscraper-high waves, that's a myth. Instead, sudden sea retreat, rapid flooding, strong currents destroying boats and infrastructure, water racing through streets. Even a 1 to 2 meter tsunami can be deadly in harbors and coastal towns. And in the Mediterranean, population density makes everything worse. Why this could escalate? Here's the frightening part. A landslide can trigger earthquakes, destabilize magma chambers, cause chain reactions, meaning one event does not stay isolated. Etna's history shows cycles of instability. What begins underwater may not stay underwater. What people should watch for? Authorities advise coastal residents to stay alert for sudden sea withdrawal, unusual roaring sounds, rapid water movement. If the sea pulls back, do not wait. Run inland immediately. Tsunamis don't announce themselves. Mount Etna is alive, not just with fire, but with motion. Today's underwater landslide may pass without disaster, or it may be a warning, a reminder that beneath calm seas, enormous forces are shifting. The Mediterranean is ancient. It remembers catastrophes we've forgotten. And sometimes, the most dangerous disasters don't explode. They slide, silently, until the water rises.